And this brings me to something I need to be completely honest with you about. Something that will really determine whether you become just another automation freelancer or someone who builds truly valuable systems. The approach that I just described, picking a niche and understanding their problems deeply, that is absolutely critical. But there's another level that most people never reach, and it's where the real money and competitive advantage actually lives. These tools we just covered, they are incredibly powerful for connecting existing systems. But here is what happens when you get really good at this. You start running into walls because a client needs something custom that no existing app can do. They need automations that the platforms simply just can't handle. If you want to build applications that companies can truly count on and scale with, you eventually need to understand the technical foundations, and that is coding. So here's the truth. Learning these no-code tools can absolutely make you over 100K per year. But if you want to break into the 200 to 300K range, you eventually need to go deeper. You need to become the person who can build what these tools can't do. Now, I'm not saying you need to learn coding right now. Start with these tools, master the business side, make money, but keep in mind that the automation specialists making the most money are the ones who can say yes to any client request, not just the ones that fit into their existing platforms. So for now, let's just focus on how to use these tools to build profitable automation businesses. But remember, there's always another level if you want to reach for it. Now, I'm sure you can guess what that next skill might be. So that brings us into the skill that separates the tool users from the tool builders, and that is AI development. So what is AI development? Put simply, AI development is about learning enough technical skills to build custom AI applications that solve real business problems. Think of it this way. Someone had to create Zapier, Make, and all of those platforms. AI development is the skill that lets you become one of those builders. You see, most businesses eventually hit walls with off-the-shelf tools. Their processes are too specific. Their data is too complex. All they need is AI that understands the industry in ways that generic tools never will. That gap between what businesses need and what existing tools can provide, that is where AI developers make all of their money. Now let me break down what you actually need to learn to start building custom AI solutions. First, you need to learn Python. This is a language that most AI applications are actually built on. And now before you panic, Python is actually one of the easiest languages to learn. You do not need to become a coding expert overnight. You just need to understand enough Python to work with data, connect to AI services, and build basic apps. Now speaking of apps, second, you need to understand how to work with AI APIs. This means learning how to connect your applications to services like OpenAI, Claude, or other AI platforms. Instead of just using ChatGPT through their website, you now actually learn how to integrate it directly into custom applications that you actually build for clients. Let me give you a concrete example of what working with AI APIs actually means. Let's say, for example, a local law firm asks you how to build a tool that can summarize legal documents. Right now, they copy and paste each document into ChatGPT manually, one at a time, and it takes forever. With AI APIs, you can build a simple application where they drag and drop 50 legal documents into a folder on their computer. Your application automatically sends each document to Chat and gets a summary back and creates a neat report with all 50 summaries. Instead of them spending 3 hours copy and pasting documents one by one, your custom application does all 50 documents in 5 minutes automatically. Now, let's move on to data handling. You need to understand how to actually work with data. Most AI applications involve taking a business's data and making it useful, cleaning it, organizing it, and feeding it into AI systems in the right way. This is often where the real value is. Businesses have tons of data, but just don't know how to use it effectively. You become the person who turns their messy data into valuable AI insights. Now, I will touch more deeply into this in topic skill number 4. For now, the best way to actually learn AI development is through working on real projects, and the best place to start is a platform called Kaggle. This is basically where companies post real business problems that need AI solutions, and people compete to solve them.